Hello and welcome to our latest edition of Better Informed. Today we released our Q1 property market report for here in Dubai, and it's safe to say it's been an incredibly busy period. In fact, transactions have reached nearly 18,000 over the first quarter, and that's an 81% increase on the same period last year. So what's been going on? Well, first and foremost, off-plan. Off-plan has grown considerably over the last 3 months. Back in quarter one of 2021, off-plan was roughly 32% of the market. This last quarter, it's taken up 48% of the market. So 48% of those transactions have been in the off-plan market. Why is that? Well, really it comes down to lots of good and consistent launches from developers and a bit of a constriction of supply in the secondary market. The second big trend that we've seen over the last 3 months has been the growth in transactions for townhouses. Lots of people out there looking to buy properties with a garden, with that house living, but perhaps have been priced out of the villa market slightly. So they're looking at townhouses, and developers have stepped into that market in a big way and are happy to supply the market. So that's been a real segment that we've seen growth this last 3 months. And we've seen a 125% increase in the number of townhouses sold over the first 3 months of this year. The next big trend that we've been seeing, and certainly of interest to landlords out there, are occupancy rates. Occupancy rates now in the freehold areas of Dubai, according to Betterhomes data, now stands at 93%. That is considerably higher than occupancy rates were standing at pre-pandemic levels, which is obviously great news for landlords. That's really been driven by migration, new people coming to Dubai. We've seen the population of Dubai grow to 3.5 million over the last 12 months. That's a lot of people moving from Europe, a lot of people moving from the Middle East, bringing business, bringing commerce with them, which is a great thing for Dubai, of course. And the final big trend that we've seen over this last quarter is a continuation from last year, and that's the focus on Dubai from international investors. International investors particularly looking at Dubai at the moment as a safe haven place to invest. That's a safe haven from the pandemic, safe haven from increases in tax in home countries, and certainly a safe haven from recent geopolitical instability that we've seen across Europe. So it tends to be Europeans at the moment are certainly driving a lot of activity in the market, and it seems that that will continue for some time. So looking ahead over the next 3 to 6 months, what can we expect? Will we see the current momentum in the market continue? Well, there are some headwinds, predominantly from higher inflation and creeping interest rates globally, which may impact people's affordability in their mortgage purchases. But frankly, as Dubai continues to grow, continues to attract people in, I expect to see the current pace of the market to continue. Prices are starting to level out in certain communities, particularly in villas where last year we might have seen price rises from 30–40%. It looks from quarter one this year, price rising in villa communities are at more sustainable levels, 3, 4, 5, 6% in certain communities over the last quarter, which I think is a far more healthier pace of growth for the market. So I think if you are still looking to buy, it's important that you get your skates on. Certainly if you're looking to buy with a mortgage, it's important to get out there, get that mortgage secured now before interest rates go up any further. Thank you very much for your time. For more information, as always, please visit us at www.bhomes.com or send me a message. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.